Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to find designer on Hacoo. Looking for designer items on Hacoo? Here's a quick guide to help you search smarter and find what you need. First, try searching by brand, but remember, some names like Nike or Lacoste may not appear in English results. Switching your app language to Spanish, German, or UK English can unlock hidden listings. If search results aren't showing up, go to your app settings, clear the cache, flag out and back in, or even reinstall the app to refresh data. Make sure the app is updated too. You can also use verified seller links. Many UK users share reliable shop IDs and examples of trusted sellers. Join communities on platforms like Telegram or Reddit, where people regularly post updated Hackoo links and tips. If you notice, certain brands are grayed out or not showing, try the early steps again, change the language, clear the cache, reinstall, or use a VPN if regional restrictions apply. With these tips, you'll be browsing designer finds on Hackoo in no time. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.